A hackneyed word or a hackneyed phrase is a phrase which is being used again and again and again, and as a result, it has become boring. Synonyms for the word hackneyed would include the word cliche, banal, and trite. Now, something that you hear every day, something that you hear again and again, something that you hear so often that it loses its meaning is a hackneyed phrase. Let's have a clipping here.
And you don't just walk onto a network show without experience. Now, I know it's an old hackneyed expression, but it happens to be the truth. You've got to start at the bottom.
So, what was the usage here? The speaker says, it is an old hackneyed expression, but it is the truth. You have got to start at the bottom. Another usage, politicians tend to repeat the same hackneyed expressions over and over again. Politicians वही पुरानी घिसी पिटी बातें repeat करते रहते हैं. The plot of the film is just a hackneyed boy meets girl scenario. A hackneyed scenario. A scenario that has been repeated too often. Hopefully you are getting the meaning here. Another word in the clipping was the word honing. Let's watch the clipping again.
It takes years and years and years of honing that and working it.
Now, we have already discussed the meaning of the word honing in lecture 2. So let's just focus on the usage here. It takes years and years of honing. Years and years of perfecting something or practicing something.
I'm a OG boy. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side. Know that they ride or die. I keep boys by my side.